Good morning with love and gratitude to all. Today I am coming with a short video of 5 thoughts explained with sketches, and the 5 thoughts are age, power and ego, emotions and energy, reality of life, and listening. Let me go to the first thought age. Age is something which is evolved by the society as it progressed for its better functioning. Age has nothing to do with life. A person is as old or young as one thinks and behaves. For doing any activity, age is not the limiting factor. It's the practice that one has in doing the activity which makes the person capable or incapable. What one thinks internally and visualizes, the same manifests itself in the outer world, which people around you see and define it as age as per their perception. In the coming slide, you can see that there is nothing like age. You are as old as you think and behave. You can see a person dancing with the child. My next thought is power and ego. In the entire creation, it is only the human being who is gifted with consciousness. Supreme level of awareness and perception can enhance the various levels of consciousness, thereby helping the human beings to realize the entire cosmos within itself. This is as per our teachings of Vedas. Contrary to the same, there are few people with authority, power, and ego who believe that they are very big in this creation and can do anything that they want. Let us look at the sketch in the next slide. In the vastness of the cosmic space, Earth is like a small marble, and human beings are just like a grain of sand. But still, there are many human beings who think they are a very big person because of their authority, power, and ego. You can see in the sketch, I have shown a balance and the ego of a man with authority and power, thinking that he is even superior or greater than the universe. My next topic is emotions and energy. Before that, let me talk a little bit about emotions. Emotions are physical manifestations and they are spontaneous. They prompt the bodily reactions which can happen consciously or subconsciously. Emotions comes first and it is universal in every human being, and they are of 7 basic types like purity, peace, power, love, bliss, knowledge, and truth. Remember, emotional memories are usually stronger and long lasting. There are different parts of the body where we can feel various types of emotions like the stress in the neck area, anxiety in the stomach, anger in the head, which is called top of the body emotions, and love and happiness, which can be seen all over the body. Hence, give priority to love and happiness. Energy is everywhere and within us in different forms. One form of energy within us is related to our emotions. The stronger the emotions, the higher the energy level it has. Therefore, it is very important that we properly channelize our emotions for the right things in life. If strong emotions are not directed in the right direction by paying attention towards it, it can harm the person in various ways. You can see at the sketch in the next slide, it is self-explanatory. The next thought is reality of life. Most of the people live their life without the understanding of life. That is, the only thing that is certain after birth is death. Say for analogy, just like a thread with both ends fixed, with birth on one side and death on the other. But most of the people use their intellect to analyze majority of what they see, hear and read and make life complicated. It is only by enhancing our awareness and perception that one can truly experience life and understand that life is in this very moment, which one must live as it comes and not by thinking of the past and imagining the future. You can see the next slide in which I have tried to explain the same with a sketch. I have shown our brain and the knitting being done, that is nothing but complicating the simple life. The last thought is listening. The world outside is the reflection of our human mind. If one is peaceful within, the world will be peaceful. And it is this stage that one attains, which is very essential for listening. What we observe most of the times is that people do not listen, but they hear, because simultaneously thoughts are going on in their mind, and hence they cannot listen, but they just hear. For listening, absolute silence within is a must. For this, look at a musician who understands the importance of silence between the two notes, which gives the sense of real music. Please look at the slide where I have tried to explain and even giving an example of an owl. One can be said to be listening only when one is calm from within and not having any self-talk during the process of listening. A wise old owl lived in an oak. The more he saw, the less he spoke. The less he spoke, the more he listened. Why can't we be like the wise owl? Friends, this is all for today. See you again with some new topic. Till then, take care of yourself both physically and emotionally. Stay safe and healthy and live a blissful life.